The big trip was when I was 10. I went with my mother, my two brothers, and one of my father's sisters. And it was the summer I decided I wanted to be an artist, so that was really critical. I mean, I saw a lot of stuff, the Louvre and so on, but we went to the island of Capri, and I saw a sculpture which had been hauled out of the sea, so it had been in the ocean for several thousand years, and it was of a man sitting, and I could tell how he was feeling from how he was sitting. And I remember chasing after my parents and making them come back and look, because I somehow got that, how is it that 3,000 years later, a little American girl could know how that man was feeling, and he wasn't even real, he was just a sculpture of a man. And so art must be the thing that transcends time. It's a pretty profound thing, actually, but I've stayed with that.